Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Vivo Y31 smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgotten their password. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Okay, now tap on power off. Okay, now the phone is successfully powered off, and now press and hold volume up and power key together for a few seconds. Now release. And now volume rocker is to move up and down, and power button to confirm. Okay, now go to recovery mode and confirm. And here you can see it will send you in a Vivo recovery mode. Okay, now in this select clear data. Okay, now in this go to clear all data, and here you can see only phone system data will be cleared. Music, photos and other user data will not be deleted. Okay, now tap on OK, and here you can see clearing data. Do not operate the device. Wait. So here you can see all data cleared. Okay, now tap on return, go back and restart or shut down your phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Vivo Y31 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.